Hello guys, it's Hiren here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made over $1,000 on Clickbank without any website and with free traffic. I'm going to show you step by step how this method works. And I'll also show you one of my Clickbank accounts where you can see that I made over $1,000 with this method. Make sure to watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you press the subscribe button because I upload videos daily on how to make money online and you don't want to miss out on that. First, let me show you one of my Clickbank account where you can see my earnings. I have more than 10 Clickbank accounts. I'm showing you one of my Clickbank accounts. Here you can see some of my earnings. Let's calculate all of the sales. You can see that it's over $2,000, which is actually more than what I mentioned in the title. I have made over $2,000 in this Clickbank account, and I'm going to show you step by step how I did this. Let's see this method in action. First of all, if you don't have a Clickbank account, it is free to create one. Just go on Clickbank and click on create account. It's really easy to create one. You can create Clickbank accounts in less than 5 minutes. Just follow the instructions. When you're done, you're going to come back on Clickbank and click on affiliate marketplace, where there are tons of different products that you can choose to promote. You can click on any niche or category, choose the products that you want to promote. I'm going to search for giveaway products. I'm going to explain step by step how this works. You can give away this card and earn recurring commission. Recurring commission from this product would be $3.83. But over time, with the recurring billing and recurring commission, you can on an average rebill up to about $209, which is a lot of money with just giving away free stuff. Once you give away this free stuff, you can potentially make $209 from each customer. I'm going to show you step by step how this method works, because for a lot of you it can be confusing. There are tons and tons of different giveaway products on Clickbank. Let's see how this product actually looks like and get some idea on how this product works. You're going to give away this knife for free. How are you going to make money if you're giving free stuff? Let me explain. Once someone goes on this product through your link, they can get this super cool credit card knife for free. How are you going to make some money when someone clicks on tell us where to ship your free credit card knife? You're going to see this page which says that this product costs $0, and you can see the price of the product is $0, but shipping and handling is $4.95. This is actually the price of the product plus your profit. $4.95 is actually the price of the product, but here they are using this marketing strategy to make it look like they are giving away free products and the customer just needs to pay for shipping and handling. This is very similar to drop shipping. You probably have heard of drop shipping. It is very popular on YouTube. If you search on how to make money online, you probably heard about drop shipping. This is one of the easiest way to do drop shipping. This second product, the ultimate all-in-one wallet tool, this is also a giveaway product. How are you going to make money with this product? The same way, when someone clicks on buy product, they enter their email address and click on continue. They are going to be sent to the similar page with different prices. You can see the shipping and handling for this product is $8.95. You can see how this method works. This is actually the price of the product, but they make it look like this is only the price for shipping and handling. This is how they are promoting this product. And once they buy the product, they're going to get some upsells, which if they want to buy even more stuff, which is how you can earn on average 53.98 cents from one giveaway product. You can earn per sale 53.98 cents. For this credit card, you can earn 38.95 cents. You can see average rebill is 116, which is actually really crazy to get that amount of money for a giveaway free product. This is how this method works. Now, how can you go and promote this product? The best method to promote this product is to go on some group or forums where they are searching for free stuff. Everyone loves free stuff. If you would offer me something for free, I would probably say yes. Why would I say no to free stuff? What you want to do is click on promote and enter your affiliate ID and click on generate hope link. This is your special affiliate link. When someone clicks on this affiliate link, you're going to make some money. Go on tinyurl and create a short link, because it is a very long and ugly looking link, and you don't want to make it look like that. We want you to make it a little bit better. When someone clicks on this link, they're going to be directed to the product, and you're going to earn commission. So how are we going to promote this Clickbank product? It is really easy. You can go, for example, on Reddit, and there are different groups where you can promote your Clickbank product, and this is all free traffic. You're sending people to your affiliate link. When people buy this product, you're going to earn commission. This is how this method works. Most of the time, if you spam your affiliate link, you're going to get banned on Reddit. You need to be very, very smart with posting, because Reddit doesn't like people spamming affiliate links. They actually want you to buy some ads so that they can make money for promoting your affiliate links. How you can do this is by searching for giveaway deals groups, different giveaway groups and subreddits. You can see that this giveaway subreddit has 5,600 members. I found this giveaway group that you can go and join and post. Make it look very natural with your affiliate links. Don't just go and direct link to your affiliate link. You can post images with your affiliate link, just like this. When someone types in your affiliate link, they're going to be sent to the product which is being offered for free. You can get a lot of free traffic to your links and a lot of sales with this method. That's it for the day. To start making money, all you need to do is take action. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you press the subscribe button and also like this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.